Thank you so much for coming to my review here, guys. I appreciate you. I'm so happy that you guys got through the 4-day training that I gave you. And I'm super stoked to talk about the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. It's by far been an incredible blessing for me as I've been working on my online journey. So I just wanted to do a quick review of it, kind of show you what it means, and then also some bonuses that I'll be giving anyone that signs up under my affiliate link. Okay, cool. So here is the back end. Once you get the 15-day Business Builder Challenge, this is what your back end will look like. There's days 1 through 15 on here. I just kind of wanted to show you guys what it looked like, what you will be getting, and go through it with you, right? So on day 1, it talks about the number one secret to starting and scaling a high-ticket business. David Sharp goes really in depth with why it's important to have a high-ticket affiliate program. Day 2, you talk about the 4 core business models. And so he goes even further in depth about every single one. Day 3, you talk about how he literally goes through step-by-step how to start your business and what you need to do in 30 minutes. Okay. Day 4, you guys talk about wealth, and he shares a lot with Robert Kiyosaki, and this is actually an amazing day right there. Day 5, you actually get to go ahead and develop your own business plan. What's cool about the 15-day Business Builder Challenge, guys, is it's bite-sized steps and they're actionable. So I spent probably 3 to 4 years on YouTube trying to figure all this stuff out, but I never took action because it wasn't clear and concise. And that's what I really love about this 15-day Business Builder Challenge, guys. It really helped me, and I've wasted tons of money on 2 other programs. And by far, the Legendary Marketer for me has been hands down a lot better than everything else. Okay, day 6, on day 5, you get to actually talk with a business advisor as well. And that you get to jump on a call with them. They look over your business plan together, and then you can ask any questions as well. And they're there for you. They'll also give you other options if you want further education. Or other products and services that you might be interested in as well. Let's see. On day 6, like I said, you can answer questions and they give you all the answers. Day 7, they talk about when should you quit your job if you already have a 9-to-5 right now, and that's pretty good because a lot of times people just jump ship and they just want to quit the jobs right away, and that's not always the best option. And then day 8 is high income skills and why do you need them? Guys, after day 8, it's literally just pure awesome value, because on day 9, they talk about lead generation, which is how do you get people into your business? How do you get leads? On day 10, they talk about copywriting. Copywriting is basically just using words to sell. And that's such a really big and important skill set. So on day 10, you learn about copywriting. On day 11, you guys learn about sales and presenting. So kind of like being in front of camera or presenting something or with your voice, right? You don't have to be in front of camera, but it is better. Those are high income skills that will help build your business. On day 12, they talk about outsourcing. Outsourcing just basically means hiring other people that is not you to get your tasks done every day. Day 13 talks about OPM, which is basically like how to scale your business even further. Day 14 is actually my favorite day. And it's kind of interesting. It's 4 ways to avoid being a wantrepreneur. There's a lot of people who want to be an entrepreneur, but they don't take the necessary steps. They don't take the actions. And so that's why I call that a wantrepreneur. And that's actually my favorite day. And then day 15 talks about how you can start going about getting your first commissions ever. So that's the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. It's amazing. It's very comprehensive. It has like everything that you need to get started. Like I said, it helped me a ton. I took this last July, and ever since then, it's helped me in multiple facets of my life, with multiple streams of income. So now I actually work full time from home. Okay. And this is what it looks like. Each day there's actual tasks. They give you stuff to download, and I've loved it. I've loved it a ton. And so now, whenever I'm going through this, I did want to say some bonuses that I will be giving you guys if you guys purchase through my link here. But before I do that, I did want to briefly jump into who is David. David Sharp is the CEO of Legendary Marketer. He's been featured on Forbes. He's a $250 million marketer, and he's helped countless people start their online business. And so he's super qualified. What I quite enjoy about him is he's kind of had a rougher past, but he has like a no BS mentality. Like he shoots you straight, whether it's good or bad. He'll tell you his opinion, and that's kind of what's needed, right? It helps you take action. It helps you be accountable. Okay. Now, the reason why the Business Builder Challenge is so good is because it's actionable, clear, concise. What it really does is it puts most everything together in one little package so that it's chewable and that you can actually take action. And so it's not just you like sitting down in training, not doing anything, right? It actually gets you up and have your business running within those 15 days. I would say the only thing for me, what was a little bit missing is just kind of like that one person that I could always go to ask. And so that's why in my bonuses, you'll see down below that I'm actually going to be, once you finish this 15-day Business Builder Challenge, I'm giving you guys the opportunity to jump on a Zoom call with me, and I can go over, what your niche is, some products that you could promote, and what platform you might enjoy. And so that way I can always help you be accountable, and you can have that support from me as well. You can join my Facebook group, and I was going to show you guys that right here. It's this. There's 182 of us here. You can ask questions right there. I do free trainings on here as well. And so you guys have access to the group where you can ask everyone here questions, and we can support one another. Now, the best part about this, though, in the bonus is having personal access to my Facebook Messenger. You guys can message me on Facebook Messenger. You guys can voice message me on Facebook Messenger, and I will get back to you even within a day. Okay? So whether you're struggling to get this going, whether you're struggling getting views, whether you're not getting commissions yet, whether you're not getting leads, you need just some personal touch help, that's what I'll be there for. So those bonuses are worth quite a bit. And I feel like it really bridges the gap between what the 15-day Business Builder Challenge has, and then being able to be there for you as well and help you stay accountable and give you that support that's really needed. So in order to get these bonuses, there's a button down below. All you guys have to do is click that button, go ahead and purchase the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. The front end and all of that stuff that I talked about is just $7. It's not $15. It's 15 days, but just $7. And for you to get your bonuses, all you have to do is go to Facebook group and type in the affiliate movement. It'll have you give you my email. Just put there in the comments that you purchased and you want the bonuses, so you can join the Facebook group. And once you finish the 15 days, we can jump on a Zoom call, and then you'll have access to my messenger, so we can talk anytime that you need me. Okay, so that's how you get those bonuses. You sign up with the button down below, and then once you purchase, you just go ahead and reach out and join the group, and then I will be there on your side, your biggest cheerleader. Okay, so guys, please take action. There is a time limit I'm giving every single person to accept these bonuses, so that way I'm just not, completely overhauled and giving all my time away, because I truly, truly do care about you, and I want you to succeed, just like how, it's benefited my family a lot, affiliate marketing. I know that it can be a vehicle to the success that you want. So go ahead and click the button below. I want you to get these bonuses. I want to help you on your journey. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.